Hello everyone. Here we have a 1988 New Bright remote control fire truck. And you can see it has a cord, which is pretty silly, but turns and stops, does a lot of stuff. A lot of detail there. Kind of a neat thing. You don't see these around too much. Not in this shape anyway. Lights work and everything. And then I think if you're depending on this truck to save you, you'd burn up by the time it was able to extend the ladder. I'm just showing you a cool toy here. Something you don't see all the time. Okay, take care.